Sawadee krap. Welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. It's Monday, October 7th, and I'm your host, JP Mestanza. Let's start with our top stories. The rising volume of medical waste in Phuket is causing Phuket City Municipality to take serious steps to not only dispose of infectious waste responsibly and safely, but also to make it sustainable for the future. During a meeting in Phuket Town last Thursday, Phuket City Mayor Somjai Suwansupana announced that the city has assigned King Mongkut's University of Technology North Bangkok campus to carry out a project to study and design the construction of an infectious waste disposal system in order to cope with the increase of medical waste. At the moment, about 1,300 kilos of infectious waste is delivered to the waste disposal facility at Sapanhin every day. And Mayor Somjai says it's likely due to the policy to develop Phuket as a medical tourism hub with the increase in the number of private hospitals and clinics on the island. For more, visit thephuketnews.com. 2 people are recovering at local hospitals from wounds sustained during a fire in a townhouse in Phuket Town's Rassada district early this morning, a fire that also claimed the lives of 2 other people. Police confirmed that a 23-year-old and a 25-year-old, both women, they died in this morning's 3:50 a.m. fire at the townhouse. The 2 people who were hurt in the incident, they're residents, and police say they both awoke to the smell of smoke at about 3 a.m. and managed to escape. Police say that although the 2 women who died in the blaze tried to escape it by jumping out of the townhouse upper floor, they did not manage to survive. An investigation into what caused the fire is now underway. There's a jumbo problem in Prachinburi province as officials are looking to retrieve the carcasses of 6 elephants that died after falling into a waterfall in Khao Yai National Park, although they did manage to help 2 others survive. The 6 elephants fell into the waterfall on Saturday morning and drowned, as a team of park officials say they heard loud elephant calls at about 3 a.m. By 6 a.m. on Saturday, they found 2 elephants trying to help a dead calf out of the waterfall, but it was too late. In another tier of the waterfall, officials found 5 more elephants had drowned. But they did manage to safely rescue 2 other struggling elephants out of the waterfall, and Thai media reports say that the surviving pachyderms were given food and nutrient injections. They've been safely returned to the forest as well. Now, officials are focusing on how to remove the carcasses, as they say it might take at least 5 days before they float down to a nearby dam, which they could contaminate. Reports say that for now, the plan is to set up large nets downstream from where the carcasses are currently, and once they slowly float to reach the net in about 4 to 5 days, they will pluck them out for burial, making sure to seal the burial ground with hydrated lime to prevent the rot from contaminating the area. Phuket Extra, I'll be right back after this. Welcome back to Phuket Extra. Could airports soon offer facial recognition check-ins for passengers? The Transport Ministry is studying the proposal, which was done at the request of Thai Air Asia, who claim it will cut check-in times by half. A committee is being formed within the Transport Ministry to study the request and whether the system is suitable for Thai airports, if it's safe, potential legal ramifications, and also protocols on how it would work. The deadline for the study is the end of this month, October, with the option to be extended by 15 days, about 2 weeks. The facial recognition check-in system would require special sensors along with passengers' personal data in order to work, bringing up privacy and security issues. But if the proposal is given the go-ahead, Thai AirAsia would implement it on a trial basis at provincial airports in Nan, Buriram, Royet, and Nakhon Phanom provinces. Last Friday, a judge gave a ruling in Yala Provincial Court, followed by an impassioned speech about the justice system in Thailand, which was all broadcast live on Facebook. After that, he shot himself in full view of everyone right in the chest, and he lived. Judge Kanakon Pianchana gave the ruling on Friday, exonerating 5 Muslim men suspected of murder in a case that stems back to last year. And during his speech, he spoke about Thailand's judicial system, deriding the interference from outside forces, and said that he was ordered to sentence 3 of those men to death and sentence the remaining 2 to life sentences. Then he shot himself and was taken to a local hospital. Shortly before the ruling, he posted a 25-page statement on his Facebook account describing different instances he's had as a judge. He's also described interference from senior judges in his case and general concerns about the Thai justice system. A report on Coconuts Bangkok described how activists just yesterday gathered to remember the 43rd anniversary of the 1976 massacre at Thammasat University, taking turns to read that statement. Now, Sarawit Benjakun, the Secretary General of the Office of the Court of Justice, he is saying that Judge Kanakon will be investigated for disciplinary offenses, while insisting that the independence of judges is guaranteed and their work is governed by the law. Meanwhile, the Bangkok Post reports that Judge Kanakon will meet with mental health specialists later this week. And that's it for Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. For safe, secure, and soundproof windows, visit pvcphuket.com. If you're watching us on YouTube, click that subscribe button to check out all of our future videos. If you're watching us on Facebook, give us a like on the Phuket News page. From all of us here at the Phuket News Center, thank you for watching, and until tomorrow, stay classy, Phuket.